So let's go ahead and do a amps discussion on these two sanitaires. So these two total amps are 12. So, but I want to show you guys something. So I think yeah. So here, let's get to the point first. Let's measure just one of these machines on this. That does seem, a 6 point. So technically that's 7 amps. The 6.9, I mean, that's technically 7 amps. So now let's see what two sanitaires can do. I was kind of expecting that to be like 15 amps. Or not 15, but like 14, or 13 or 14, since these two motors generate enough power to do like 13 amps. But instead it's like, I don't know. Instead it's like 12 amps. That kind of interests me in a way. Like, I guess I don't know how that works. So these are 7 amp motors in here. I just don't know how they generate 12 amps, of power. But anyways, let's get on to the other part. Let me put this. So I put vacuuming in this video because I did some sand in the carpet tests on this, and while I did do some SC80D6, Sanitaire SC, cleaned them with the SC80D6, I figured let's give my final thorough cleaning for tonight. So let's go ahead and do that with a couple of the vacuums I have. I want to give you guys a good view. So I think that should be good enough. That should be good enough of a view. So let's start this with my Kirby Avalier and move to my right. So let's go ahead and do it. Why isn't it turning on? let's do the Sanitaire SC 889A. Here. Just give me a minute to undo its cord. Let's plug her in. Thing doesn't want to unwind. So there we go. Now we got this. Let's get to it. Now let's get the SC889A all wrapped up. Here, I'll wrap their cords properly later. Now, let's do my Sanitaire SC886. This will probably be the one you guys want to see the most. So let's hit it. That's it for the SC886. Here. What else? So now the final vacuum will be the big guy. And of course, I don't know how much you guys like to see the big guy, but I put one of these Sanitaire cord holders on this, as you see, because I got two of them. I have another one downstairs. The cord holder is tolerating this, but it keeps the cords connected better, so, you know, it's just better that way. Just making sure both of them were turned on, so let's go ahead and get them on retract here, and let's make sure they're adjusted. Down to the floor, and here we go. This is definitely not meant for small areas. As you can see, it's with all those vacuums back there, I can't, in the background, I can't necessarily fit them, get this whole done, but that's okay. I'll get the other half done off camera. But there you go. I figured this would be a fun little video to do. So hope you all enjoyed. Please like this video, comment on it if you have any comments. If you want to subscribe, go ahead, and stay tuned for more.